light hearts at home. Hiccups! Have you ever had hiccups that just wouldn't go away no matter what you did? I'm sure many of us are smiling, remembering our own battles with those sudden, funny, unstoppable hiccups. Maybe keep a glass of water handy. Let's get ready for some laughs and surprise sounds as we bring this hiccup adventure to life. Look so sad and sniffy. Now, Peppy the Peacock was watching all this. He was a brainless creature, wanting attention every minute. Was his distinguishing feature. Hip, said Peppy the Peacock. Oh, help me, sir. I have got the hiccups too.